friends, we have some crafts that are going to do with caterpillars and butterflies. The first one goes with our story, The Caterpillar Ate Through, and this is going to be a headband. So here's all the foods that the caterpillar ate through in the story. And then he became very sick from eating all those things before he ate the leaf. So there's 3 pages here that you can color or decorate any way you like. You can use watercolors. You'll have to wait for that to dry. And then you can cut it out and make your headband. Then there's a project that you'll need a toilet paper roll for. And then you'll need to decorate your chrysalis, your little caterpillar, and the butterfly. So what you're going to do is you're going to glue the chrysalis around your toilet paper roll so it looks like this. Then with some help, you can put your butterfly into your chrysalis and then decorate your caterpillar. And when he goes into the chrysalis, you can wait as long as you like. But when he comes out as a decorated butterfly. How fun is that? And you can do it over and over. You can put it back in. And you can put your caterpillar in again. You can do it slowly or quickly. And as you push it in, out comes the butterfly, and you can fly all around. Have fun, friends. Bye.